Hello everyone. I am a student at Sunrise Computer Center. The experience of learning at this institute is more than just learning a particular skill. The overall development and understanding of a particular topic is what is focused on. And I promise the skills you will learn here will help you lifelong. And if you look at the cost of the course, it genuinely has no value in front of the brilliant skills that are given to you on daily basis. After you complete it, teachers and everyone around you will make you feel like a family. And as they say, a good education can change anyone, but a good teacher can change everything. All my thanks and gratitude goes to Ajay sir, who made the environment at the institution more fun with learning new skills and gaining confidence on those skills. Many of the students even got jobs